So you might be thinking, why do I want to link QR codes to a digital data collection form? And the reason for that is another extra layer or an extra step for confidentiality. This can be a quick, discreet way to be taking data on your phone, on a classroom iPad, on the go. And I love QR codes because I can scan and just keep walking, keep going through my day. And I do not have to worry about trying to figure out where the form is or like, where's that clipboard, that I have it really in my fingertips really quickly, for me to find. And so I love QR codes. I have used this QR code generator for a while now. I haven't had any issues. And so I'm going to show you what I use and how I get to there. So the QR code generator that I use is this literally high QR code generator from Google Chrome. So it is a Google Chrome extension. It is a very quick access. I've already have it on my computer, as you can see. And so this is very simple to use. Other than having it on a Chrome browser, that's really all you have to deal with. So what I'm going to do, it's already here. So it's in my QR code generators over here. So obviously if you leave the link there, it's going to just have that link and that's not what you want. But I have a Google form that I've created for IEP goals that I use like literally for everything. So what you're going to do is you're going to click send in the top right corner. And then I go to the link. You can use it as a full link or you can shorten the URL. Either way is totally fine. It doesn't matter either way. So make sure it's all set up the way you want it. So I'm going to go back to my QR code generator, or you can use the top down and QR code generator from there. It'll pop up. I'm going to press enter and kind of put in that link there. So that's my Google Doc link. And all I have to do is click download. You can add a logo to it if you really want to. I honestly don't. I just leave it as is and I download it. So there it is, already downloaded, ready to go. If I pull it up in a file, it is over here now. Hold please. Let's see if I can close it up for you so you can see it. All right, so here it is. It's kind of come over here. And so here it is. I can put it in and print it. I can literally put it wherever I want. I can download it, upload it, put it in a doc. I can put a label on it while doing that. So literally that is how I do it. So literally so simple. It is a couple quick steps, couple quick buttons, and you have as many as you need to make. Quick download, rename them. Make sure you name them with the student name or student initials and then their IEP goals so you have it there as a quick access. If you want me to show you how I would put it and make it a little bit more pretty, rather than just having a QR code and I don't know where it goes to, let me know, comment below, and I will show you that next step. I just want to know what you need to see from me, but I think this is going to be a game changer, totally free, never has an issue with it. So hopefully it was helpful to kind of see that walkthrough.